So here's our 2018, I believe it's a 2018 Ford F450. This truck is two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. It has the gas engine in it. If you look up here, I'll keep looking as you're looking around the rest here. Not sure, oh, here it is, 6.8 liter gas engine. That actually means it is obviously the V10. This truck came to us from the insurance company. There is actually virtually almost no damage whatsoever to the truck itself. The only damage to the truck itself here is you can see just a couple little dings on the fender, and then it tore the fender flare off as something went right past the truck on this side and it damaged here the utility body. You can take the utility body off, or you can fiberglass this back together. Do whatever you want, really, with it. I'm not sure of the cab to axle ratio here. It's longer than a 60-inch, so I'm guessing it's an 84-inch cab to axle. Looking up underneath the truck, how well you can see here on the video, there's absolutely no damage whatsoever. Now the tread on all of these tires, well, you can see that there. It's deep tread on all 6 tires. It looks pretty much brand new. Everything, we've got the keys here for the utility box. Looks like we got a couple little bits and pieces of, I'm not sure really what it's from. It looks like it's, well, it says made in Japan, so odds are this thing hit Toyota Camry or something like that. There's no damage underneath at all on this side either, of course. Looking here in the interior, we do have manual windows. I'll go ahead and shut it off. Now we do have 2 keys for this truck, as well as the keys for the utility body itself. As you can see, currently 22,910 miles on it. And we'll go ahead and kind of turn our AC on here a little bit. AC works, of course, heat works. Radio works. We got our 12 volt. It looks like we do have an owner's manual in there and the original Ford paperwork. Of course, we've got cruise control and everything. We'll go ahead and put our seatbelt on, put her in gear, and away we go. Do have our auxiliary buttons. Looks like we got 6 of them up here, as well as our dome lights. This truck runs and drives great. Of course, we can assist you on shipping this vehicle anywhere you want in the United States. Or you're more than welcome to fly in, drive here, or haul it home, however you'd like. But there'd be no problems whatsoever with you driving it home as well either. We can give you a permit for that, no problems. I'm And my camera just kind of shows that this flickered a little bit here. I promise you it's not flickering, it's just the way that my camera's reading the digital display, but there's no issues there at all. Of course, we're going down the road here at almost 60 miles an hour. Our steering wheel's straight. I let go of it. No pulls at all. We actually haven't done a single thing to this truck. We just picked it up this morning, so as you see it here is exactly as we got it. The truck does have a salvage title. You can leave the fender just as it is, kind of push the dent out a little bit, put a flare on it if you want. Truck really pretty much needs nothing, really. It's just a matter of if you want to use the utility box on it or use the truck for something else. Cruise control, of course, works. Again, tires are like brand new, short of a little ding in the fender. The truck itself has nothing wrong with it. Again, it's just the damage pretty much just to the utility box. And that's up to your determination whether or not you want to reuse the utility box, take it off, put a flatbed on it, haul trailers with this truck. Whatever you see fit. So that's going to conclude our test drive video for the day. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much and have a good day.